Angelica Nicole Rivera is on trial in Columbia County, accused of killing her 1-year-old. Amara Diaz died on June 26, 2021, inside this apartment along East 2nd Street in Berwick. Today in court, the prosecution outlined the events that morning. Rivera says she put the child down to sleep around 10 o'clock. She then went outside to hang out with her boyfriend, a next-door neighbor, leaving Amara and her 2-year-old sibling alone in the apartment. When she returned a few hours later, she found Amara in bed, face up, with blue lips, and the child wasn't breathing. When investigators arrived, they say the child was cool to the touch, and it was apparent the child had been dead for some time. Police report the baby's face was badly bruised and had dried blood around her mouth. When asked, Rivera initially said the child was bruised by her older sibling who shoved a toy in her face days earlier. Autopsy results later showed the child died from blunt force trauma. Today in court, the jury heard testimony from investigators and watched recorded interviews with Rivera. At one point, investigators on the stand called her demeanor during an interview nonchalant. The prosecution also reviewed cell phone records in court, showing that just before 2 in the afternoon on the day of Amara's death, Rivera called her dad, then texted him saying Amara passed away. Investigators say they also learned Rivera used her boyfriend's phone to search head injuries and concussions. In a recorded interview a month later, Rivera denies any prior injuries. Rivera is charged with criminal homicide, child endangerment, and tampering with evidence. The trial will resume Wednesday morning. Emily Kress, Newswatch 16, Columbia County.